My name is Mason Cameron. I'm a process engineer here at US Synthetic. I grew up in eastern Idaho. I had a job from a neighbor that taught me how to build tractors. And it kind of started my journey of wanting to learn how to be creative and how to really do things with my hands to create things for a better purpose. Then when I got to college, I got into the manufacturing engineering department, and I found that that was really what I liked to do. It was a lot of hands-on work that was able to help me really go into a company and help people. So it was a lot less about the physics or the math, but it was how to solve problems to improve people's lives. A process engineer, our job is specifically to take a look at the process or the manufacturing facility and say, how is the system working together? How do the people fit with the machines? Are the machines serving the people? We get to work alongside people, hear their issues, we take it back and we work together as a group to really deeply solve their problems. I had some opportunities where classes took me to a manufacturing facility, but a lot of times it was up to me to reach out and say, I'm really interested in what you guys do, can I come visit for a tour? Here at US Synthetic, I took a couple of tours. I got to meet with a lot of good people. I applied for some internships, and that internship was highly impactful for me to be able to take the things that I'm learning in my classes and come to work later in the day and directly apply those things that I learned. Outside of just improving lives within our company, we also like to do lots of service opportunities to improve people's lives in our community and around the world. So one of the really cool things we do is we send employees to different areas around the world to actually help drill for water wells. That gives us greater purpose. If I had any advice for students that are looking into going into engineering, I would say don't worry too much about which engineering you should go into. What's really the most important is learning how to be a good problem solver. So the more of these learning cycles that you can do of finding a problem, coming up with a solution, implementing that solution, and learning from that, the better you're going to become and prepare yourself for being an engineer. What I value in my day-to-day job is how can I as an engineer come up with new processes, look at new technology, solve problems that'll make people's work easier. That's where engineering really matters. It makes me the most happy when I can improve someone's day-to-day life.